Good day guys, this is Alam Nani from Harcourts Point Cook. Welcome to number 159 City Bay Drive, Point Cook. This house is just minutes away from local shopping centre and saltwater club with access to gym, swimming pool and tennis courts.
Good day everyone, this is Deepak Devraj from Harcourts Point Cook. What you're going to see is this elegant and simple 4-bedroom, 2-bath double garage which is on a 448 land size. This home will suit all the first home buyers and the investors.
If you're looking to sell, invest or buy home, call us anytime at Harcourts Point Cook.
Looking forward to see you all at the upcoming opens, and cheers to the vendor and the future buyer. Cheers.